Hi guys, good morning. Today we're going to do our very first writer's workshop lesson. Actually, the very first lesson that goes in your writer's notebook. Yesterday you made covers of your writer's notebook and I'm really excited to see what those look like. But today we're going to talk about how to plant seeds in your notebook for writing. All right? So I'd like for you to write down, open up your writer's notebook to the very first empty page, and across the top of the page, just like I do on my chartboard, I want you to write the title, Planting Seeds for Writing. And then I would like for you to draw this big giant letter I that you can write right down the middle of the page. I want this to take up the whole page in your notebook, because what we're going to do is we're going to write words inside of this letter I. So you want to make sure it's big enough so that you can write several words in there. You can go ahead and pause the video and get this copy down. Meet me back here when you're done. So sometimes coming up with ideas for writing is hard. Sometimes we get kind of stuck, and you might remember that last year from 3rd grade. So one of the ways that we can avoid getting stuck when we're writing is by writing lists of things that we can talk about or things that we know about. What do you know more about anything else in this world? I hope you know about yourself more than anything else in this world. I know that I know about me more than anything else in this world. So we're making something today called an I map. Not an I map, but the letter I map, all right? So what we're going to do inside of it is we're going to write words that tell about something that you are. Let me show you what I mean. I don't want you to copy down what's in my eye chart, because what you want to write in yours are words about you. So you can just look right now and see the words that I'm writing. So one thing that I am is a teacher. I'm also a mom. I'm also a wife to Mr. Chanavez. I cook. I am a cook. When I bake cakes or things, I am a baker. I made a birthday cake for my daughter because today is her 20th birthday. So happy birthday, Sarah. Another thing that I am is a reader. You might say, why did you write student on there? It's because I'm always wanting to learn about new things. There's lots of ways to learn about new things, just like students do. And I need to learn lots of things. I need to learn things for my job as a teacher. I need to learn things for how to do things better at home, how to be a better parent, how to be a better wife, how to be a better mom. So I'm always reading and learning so I can learn new things so that I can be better at being me, right? So the idea today for your eye chart, and I'm not going to fill the whole eye chart up now because I want you to have lots of time for your writer's notebook. I want you to make this big I in your notebook, and I want you to write 8 to 10 things in your I, in that letter I, okay, that describe what you are. What are things you know how to do? What are things, so like maybe another, I kind of told you a fib a minute ago. I'm going to write one more word down. I wrote an adjective down. I wrote the word kind. I hope I'm kind. I think I'm kind. So you don't just have to write things you do. You can write things that you feel or things that you are inside of you, all right? Like kind of like character traits. So these are all things that later on, when you've written them down in your eye chart, they're all things that you can look back on and get ideas to write about. Okay, so I want you to write 8 to 10 words inside of your eye chart. And for your or your writing exit ticket today, I'd like for you to make a short video showing us your eye chart and talk about the words that you wrote in there and why you wrote them in. All right? Have a good time writing your eye chart and planting those writing seeds, and I will see you later, guys. Bye.